If you have a system clone on your OnePlus 15R and now you want to import or export files between the system clone and the main system, once you go to the system clone, you should be able to open settings. Then in here go to security and privacy, and you need to scroll down and go to the system cloner option. Now you will open the system cloner settings, where you should be able to find import data option and export data as well. Now if you tap on import data, you will have to enter the main system password, so you have to enter the main screenlock password first, and then you can choose whatever you want to transfer. So if I choose one of these files, I should be able to import them quite easily, and there we go. Now, if you want to export files, then of course we have the export data, and we need to enter the password for the system clone. And then the rest is pretty much the same. So we can select whatever we want to transfer, and then we can export. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.